I'm Brad Hosler.
And I'm Allie Hosler. We're your trusted roofing experts at our local family business, DryTech Exteriors in Dayton, Ohio. When it comes to asphalt roofing in Dayton, it's important to understand what it is, how it can benefit you, how it should be implemented correctly, and why choosing the right roofing company matters.
Let's start with the basics. Asphalt roofing is a popular roofing solution for residential homes. Every shingle we install is composed of several features. A fiberglass mat that adds weather protection, greater fire resistance, and longer life. Weathering grade asphalt that holds the granules on the shingle and protects the roof from water. Colorful mineral granules that help reflect the sun's rays while adding beauty and style to the roof. And a heated activated adhesive strip that bonds shingles into a single watertight unit.
Why is asphalt roofing a great material choice for your home? Well, first, it offers excellent durability and weather resistance. This means your home stays dry and safe no matter what Mother Nature throws at it. It also provides insulation, helps to regulate your home's temperature, which can lead to energy savings, and a more comfortable living space.
The installation of asphalt roofing is a precise process that requires an experienced professional for the best results. It involves removing any existing roofing materials, preparing or replacing the roof deck, and then layering the asphalt shingles correctly. Proper installation ensures the roof's longevity and performance. What happens if asphalt roofing is done incorrectly or unprofessionally? This is crucial to understand. You could face leaks, voided material warranties, damage to your property, and costly repairs down the road. It's vital to choose a trusted roofing company with experienced professionals who are local, licensed, and insured, and follow industry's best practices.
What makes us the best fit? Well, at DryTech Exteriors, we stand out in the roofing industry for several reasons. We have a team of highly skilled and experienced professionals who are committed to delivering top quality roofing services. We use only the best materials and follow industry standards to ensure your roof is installed correctly the first time. Plus, we offer warranties to give you peace of mind knowing your investment is protected.
For years, DryTech Exteriors has been voted Best of Dayton, the next door neighborhood favorite, and we were awarded the Better Business Bureau Eclipse Integrity Torch Award.
We have even earned the Owens Corning Platinum Preferred status, putting us in the top 1% of roofers in the whole country for customer satisfaction, quality, and financial stability. DryTech Exteriors also has received more 5-star reviews than any other Dayton roofing company.
In conclusion, asphalt roofing is a reliable and cost-effective solution for your home. When done right by a professional team like ours, it can enhance the comfort, protection, and value of your property. Don't take risks with your roof. Choose DryTech Exteriors for all your roofing needs. Contact our family business today for a free consultation.